The WHO Southeast Asia region continues to work closely across the three levels of the organization in taking swift, decisive, and evidence informed action against the COVID 19 pandemic. The region continues to be guided by the Delhi Declaration, which health ministers of the region adopted in 2019, stressing a risk based approach to emergency preparedness and response, which since 2014 has been one of the region's 8 flagship priorities. It was on the 13th of January that the first reported case was detected outside of China in Thailand. Since then, member state action, led at the highest levels with a whole of government and whole of society approach, has restricted the regional's case count to a comparatively low level. Thailand has now flattened the curve and is preparing to further lift restrictions. India launched very early containment measures, including a complete nationwide lockdown with a massive scale up of lab capacities. Bangladesh, Indonesia, and Nepal are using WHO's Go Data tool to carry out robust contact tracing. Bhutan, Maldives, and Timor-Leste are demonstrating how small countries with geographical vulnerabilities can generate and apply maximum capacity. India, Indonesia, Thailand, and Sri Lanka have taken the initiative to participate in WHO's path-breaking solidarity trial, and Myanmar and DPR Korea were among the first countries to develop and finalize their preparedness and response plans. WHO has provided member states in the region its full technical, operational, and material support, from sharing key guidance and training health personnel to providing PPE and laboratory equipment and helping to plan, identify, and meet resource requirements. The region's pursuit of universal health coverage, with a focus on human resources for health and essential medicines, has strengthened health systems region-wide, which is helping member states to protect the continuity of essential health services as they directly respond to the pandemic. We have a rich tradition of solidarity and mutual support, which is reflected in the Southeast Asia Regional Health Emergencies Fund, which has been fully harnessed from the start of the outbreak. The region's world-class medicine and vaccine manufacturing capacity will be critical to global efforts to develop and produce safe and effective therapeutics and vaccines, and to ensure they are equitably distributed to all of humanity. WHO is committed to moving forward to control and suppress spread and empower individuals and communities to stay safe, healthy, and well.